The number of homes for sale in San Diego County inches up yet again as we get a bounce in new listings and pending sales remain stagnant. Today is August 15th, 2024, and you are watching San Diego Market Watch. This is a weekly program where we examine key metrics in the San Diego real estate market over the past 7 days. If you're new to this channel, give us a like, subscribe so you don't miss any of these updates. We will be bringing you smaller updates, zip code by zip code, throughout the week, and you don't want to miss any of those. And leave us a comment. Let us know what you think, where you're watching from, and what you'd like to see next. Let's jump right into it. The number of homes for sale in San Diego County inched up a little bit over the last 7 days, although it has been fairly flat for the last few weeks here. But look at what's been going on with pending sales. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks in a row now. We have been basically flat. And new listings have kind of been all over the place. We took a dive a couple of weeks ago and then bounced back up about halfway and now kind of flattened again. So things are roughly in what I like to call the doldrums of the San Diego real estate summer. Usually July and August are fairly flat months in San Diego real estate. People kind of go on vacation and check out a little bit, although I did expect to see a bounce in pending sales after last week's rate reduction. So that is an interesting thing that has happened or hasn't happened. With that, let's take a look at interest rates. 6.49% is the 7-day Freddie Mac average, and that is as low as we've seen in a long time. It's been at least a year since we've seen rates in the mid sixes, and that is good news, and possibly more good news coming next month when the Fed meets. There is speculation that they will actually cut the prime rate, and that may drop mortgage interest rates even more and spur some additional real estate activity in San Diego County, although all that remains to be seen. Now let's look at median price. We've done a little bit of a cone here. We jumped up a bit from May to June, and then from June to July down again. So I kind of expected this as we saw the number of homes for sale growing over the past few weeks and pending sales remaining the same. As I showed you, there has been less competition among buyers, and the percent over asking price properties have been closing has gone down. San Diego County now averages less than 100% of original list price to close sale price. And that is a contrast to earlier this year where we were over 100%. And when you go zip code by zip code, there are very few zip codes in San Diego County right now that are over 100% of original list price to final closed price. So buyers are actually able to negotiate a little bit and aren't seeing as much competition, and certainly not the exuberant 5, 6, 7% over asking price that we were seeing earlier this year, and definitely not the 15, 16% over asking price that we were seeing all the way back in 2022. So this is particularly important news for sellers, I would think, because if you've been sitting on the fence and thinking, I'm waiting for the perfect time to get top dollar for my home, 2024, that number may be in the rearview mirror at this point, unless we see a real spike in pending sales that starts to erode that inventory that's out there. As long as that inventory continues to grow, prices are going to remain somewhat soft, and sellers are going to struggle just a little bit to get that pie in the sky price that they might have gotten earlier this year. Although prices are still pretty darn strong, especially if you bought, a few years ago. So there's really nothing to lament for sellers here, and for buyers, definitely opportunities are popping up all over the place. So send us a message, give us a call, let us know what your real estate goals are, and we would love to help you out with that. So with that, I will say, remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and we will talk to you again very, very soon. Thanks for watching.